Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, front-wheel drive, remote trunk release, brake assist. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance